As an INFP, your mind is a brilliant treasure trove of ideas. But how do you translate those gold nuggets into actual reality? Well, today's question is, I have 1,000 ideas, but I struggle with follow through. Any advice for turning my creative thoughts into tangible projects? What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, where I help INFPs to understand their personality type so they can use it for self-development, self-discovery. In order to understand how to translate those ideas into reality, let's talk a little bit about what is going on within our psyche, our personality type. So you may already know your cognitive functions, but the main one that we need to focus on here is extroverted intuition. This is intuition. So what that is a perceiving function. Intuition is a way of taking in information about the world, and it is intuitive. So what that is it's saying this point here, the sensory point here, and this one here, looking at that connection between and wondering, what does that mean? What is that? Why is that this way? It's using idea space to learn patterns, learn through patterns about the world. And it's extroverted intuition. So what that's doing is it's more offensive, more breadth focus. It's external. So it's saying this thing here could be like this. It could be used for this. It could be used for this. What if it was combined with this other thing here? What would that emerge into? So it's springboarding off the things in the external world. Sometimes those things are ideas. Sometimes those things are actual tangible realities. This is a little outlet. Jackie Chan. It's not a Jackie Chan. Jackie? It's not Jackie Chan. I had to check. That's the extroverted intuition right there. That was completely unintentional. What I wanted to do was say, what else could this be? Or what does it remind me of? Kind of an elephant trunk. Could be a flag. Could be a hammer, a sledgehammer. Maybe I'm a dwarf. Maybe I'm delving into the mines of Moria. See, it started with this, and then it just bounced off all sorts of different directions into different places. That's what extroverted intuition is doing. And for us, that is fun. That is exciting. That is where we want to be. There's nothing more, well, maybe there are some more enjoyable things, but it's so happy. Extroverted intuition, that explorer character within us, is just so happy to continuously embrace curiosity and imagination and wondering what if and wondering where things will take us. It has no desire to say, okay, we're done. We've finished brainstorming. Great. That's not part of its job. It doesn't want to do that. Our other functions want that to happen. We want to solidify it and funnel it into some sort of nugget of understanding about who we are as a person. The extroverted intuition doesn't want to do that. So bring in other tools to help you do that. Other techniques and strategies like journaling and starting your day with what are the 3 things that I want to get done today, so that you can still have time for imagination, but you know where you're going. Leveraging a supportive network of people, getting some accountability is another great way of doing that. But for me, I like to think that the biggest, most leverageable hack that I've used for myself is to know that my identity label is important. Who I view myself as is important. And so if I say I am a creator, and I know that the word create means to actually make something, then I more often, my beliefs, my actions, my environment will follow suit and saying that I need to make this. And if I don't make this, I leverage my feelings, my values. If I don't make this thing, then it's going to hurt me in the future because maybe I'll regret not doing it. Could hurt somebody else who could have benefited from hearing my words, from knowing this thing. Could hurt my family. But if I do it, it can help them. So using some positive stress to create momentum and to push myself to do these things has been an amazing process and something that now I feel like I can't turn off. And that's a good thing. Sometimes I go a little bit too far and I feel overworked. Other times, most other times, it's like, this is who I am. I'm living into my identity by creating because I am a creator. So play around with your identity and think, like, who will I be? Who will I become if 30 years from now, I never did anything with these ideas in the real world? And then you got to take the steps to do it. And as I've explained before, chunk down, break things down into smaller and smaller pieces until there is very little or no resistance to doing it. If you are an artist, then you have the paper in front of you. Put the paper in front of you at all times. Get your pencils or paintbrushes or whatever they are. Get them ready so that it's easier to do the thing than it is to not do it. And just produce. And know that the more that you do it, the more that you are emerging into that identity label. Like, you are not an artist if you don't do art. It's true. So an artist shows up and does art probably every day. And so if you do art every day, then you will become an artist, and that will emerge into something else beyond just the joy of imagining things. One other little hack that you can do is to know that the more you create, the more you put your things, ideas out there into reality, those all can be used as springboards to create a new life for yourself, to create new ideas. They're like little memes of your personality type that you're putting out there, your personality, your thoughts, your experiences, your beliefs. They're little aspects of yourself that you're putting out there that other people can play with and get to understand themselves better through, maybe change and adapt. And that creates a whole new innovative world of possibilities. So that's my advice for turning creative projects into tangible reality. Let us all know down below in the comments what has helped you. Like, share, subscribe. If you want the INFP 5-day email course, go to inowfeelpositive.com, sign up there. It's a free email course, 5 days, get to learn about yourself on a deeper level and some strategies like the ones that I explained in this video. Good luck, have fun. Peace.